Indonesia, the land of thousands of islands, is also the land of countless opportunities. One of the most remarkable opportunities that Indonesia has to offer is the palm oil industry. This vibrant and lucrative industry has become a major contributor to the Indonesian economy, bringing prosperity to millions of people. In this video, we will delve into the world of palm oil in Indonesia and explore its impact on the nation's economy and society. Palm oil, the oil derived from the fruit of the oil palm tree, is one of the most widely used vegetable oils in the world. In Indonesia, palm oil is more than just a commodity, it is a lifeline. The country is the world's largest producer of palm oil, accounting for nearly 40% of the global production. This remarkable feat is not only a testament to the country's natural resources and rich agricultural heritage, but also to the hard work and ingenuity of its people. The palm oil industry in Indonesia has been a source of growth and development for the country, providing employment, income, and investment to many rural areas. In 2020, palm oil exports from Indonesia generated over $20 billion, accounting for over 10% of the country's total exports. The growth of the palm oil industry has also created jobs for over 10 million people, many of whom live in rural areas and rely on the industry for their livelihoods. But the impact of the palm oil industry goes beyond just economics. It has also played a crucial role in promoting development in Indonesia. The growth of the industry has attracted investment to rural areas, leading to the construction of roads, bridges, and schools, and improving access to basic services and facilities. This has helped to improve the quality of life for many people and has helped to drive economic growth and development in these areas. However, the rapid growth of the palm oil industry has also had its challenges. Deforestation and the loss of wildlife habitat have become major issues, as large-scale palm oil plantations have replaced forests. In addition, the industry has been linked to human rights abuses, such as land confiscation and forced evictions of indigenous communities. Despite these challenges, the palm oil industry remains a vital part of the Indonesian economy and a source of hope and opportunity for millions of people. As the industry continues to evolve and grow, it has the potential to play an even greater role in the development of Indonesia and the lives of its people. With careful planning and responsible practices, the golden harvest of palm oil in Indonesia can continue to bring prosperity and progress to the nation for generations to come. One of the key factors contributing to Indonesia's success as a palm oil producer is its tropical climate. Palm oil trees thrive in hot and humid conditions, making Indonesia an ideal place to grow them. The country's equatorial location also ensures that it has a long growing season, with abundant sunlight and rainfall, providing ideal conditions for palm oil trees to flourish. In addition to its climate, Indonesia also has a large land area and a favorable geography, with large areas of flat and fertile land that are well suited for agriculture. The country's vast land area, combined with its abundant resources and favorable conditions, has made it possible for Indonesia to establish a large and thriving palm oil industry. Another important factor is the availability of labor in Indonesia. The country has a large and growing population, with many people living in rural areas, where the palm oil industry is concentrated. The industry has provided employment for millions of people, many of whom live in remote and isolated areas where employment opportunities are limited. This has been critical in driving economic growth and development in these areas. Indonesia has a supportive government that has encouraged the growth of the palm oil industry. The government has invested in infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, and ports, and provided subsidies and incentives to encourage the development of the industry. This has made it possible for the industry to grow and flourish, providing benefits to millions of people across the country. In the global market, Indonesia's main competitor for palm oil production is Malaysia. Both countries have been the dominant players in the industry for many years, and together, they account for over 80% of the world's palm oil production. According to data from the Malaysian Palm Oil Council, Malaysia's palm oil production has grown from 17 million tons in 2009 to over 19 million tons in 2020. The country has a well-established palm oil industry and a strong reputation for high-quality products, making it a formidable competitor in the global market. Despite this competition, Indonesia has managed to maintain its position as the world's largest producer of palm oil, and its market share has continued to grow. In 2020, Indonesia exported over 20 million tons of palm oil, generating billions of dollars in income for the country. While the competition between Indonesia and Malaysia in the global palm oil market is intense, the two countries have also worked together in various ways to promote the growth and development of the industry. For example, they have collaborated on research and development projects, shared best practices, and supported each other's efforts to improve sustainability and promote responsible practices in the industry. Indonesia's palm oil industry has made a significant impact on the country's economy, providing employment and generating billions of dollars in income. The country's success as a palm oil producer can be attributed to its tropical climate, favorable geography, abundant resources, and supportive government. Despite intense competition from Malaysia, Indonesia has managed to maintain its position as the world's largest producer of palm oil, and its market share has continued to grow. The future of the industry looks promising, as demand for palm oil is expected to increase in the coming years. However, it's also important to ensure that the industry develops in a sustainable and responsible manner, taking into account the environmental and social impact of palm oil production. With its vast resources and favorable conditions, Indonesia has the potential to play a major role in shaping the future of the palm oil industry, ensuring that it remains a key contributor to the country's economy for many years to come.